Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another quick weave tutorial. So today I'm coming to you with a long overdue, long awaited video showing you guys how I reuse old hair, bundle virgin hair from my own collection, which is GLEEmade. This is an old quick weave that I washed out of my head. As you can see, the quick weave literally slides right out without damaging your hair, and your hair is totally protected. And you can literally just pull the tracks right off of the stocking cap. It literally washes right out. And this is a quick weave ponytail that I used my GLEEmade hair for as well. Again, you can just remove the hair off of the ponytail and you're good to go. The glue is a little residue left over, nothing crazy, and you can just add glue right over top of it. So I just wanted to show you guys the inspo for this look. This is a young lady off of Instagram, Sincerely Kayla. I loved this style on her, and I wanted to remake it into a quick weave. I'm pretty sure hers was a lace front, but I wanted to make it in a quick weave, and I wanted to try something really different that I've never tried before, which is a quick weave with a center part that is leave out. I know this sounds a little crazy because most people that get a full quick weave like this just use the circle closure that they make, where you just add glue to a track, you roll it into a circle, flat iron it closed, and then you just add it to the top of your quick weave to close it. It's basically an old school closure before we had lace fronts. But I wanted to try it using my own natural hair because I feel like it'll look more natural that way. Mind you, I've never tried this before, so this was definitely an experiment. So I braided down a circle piece in the middle of my head and determined that was going to be where my circle leave out was going to be. And then I literally just parted my hair down the center and did 2 diagonal braids in the front and 1 large braid in the back. And so I only had 3 cornrows throughout my entirety of my head. So yeah, you guys, like I said, this was definitely a trial and error situation. If I had it to do all over again, there's a couple things that I would change, but ultimately, you guys, I was super happy with the way this quick weave came out. So if you want to see how I got this quick weave, then definitely keep on watching. So like I said before, my quick weaves literally slide right out as soon as water hits them from the shower. It's because of this. This is the Diamond Bond Protective Shield. This is not glue. Some people are confused that this is glue. This is a liquid cap. It's a protective shield that shields your head, your hair, and your scalp from the glue, so that when you get ready to wash out your quick weave, it literally washes out with water. This is a water soluble liquid that dries hard and creates a barrier between your hair and the glue. So I just wanted to reiterate that because some folks are confused. But if you use this, the glue will not touch your hair or your scalp, and you'll be able to just wash your quick weave out with this cap. you can actually reuse the quick weave because it is attached to the cap. So if you want to, you can reuse it when you wash it out. I typically just let mine air dry, remove the tracks like you saw in the beginning of the video, and just reuse the tracks. But you can reuse the entire cap as though it's like a U-part wig. So you want to blow dry that liquid cap until it's completely 100% dry. I use the blow dryer, but I also let it air dry because it does take a while for it to dry. If you have a sit under dryer, obviously it'll be much faster. But if you don't, you definitely want to wait for it to be fully and completely dry. Otherwise, it won't protect your scalp and your hair from the glue. Then you're going to want to start applying your tracks. This part is absolutely simple. You apply the glue to the track. You cut the track to the length that you need it to wrap around your head, and then you go ahead and apply it. Then you want to go ahead and cut off that excess cap. This is a step that I never used to do before, but this is a really cool step. It releases a lot of the tension from the cap, so I would definitely suggest this step. I'm going to definitely start using that step from now on. Definitely make sure that you kind of like place the cap in front above, like all the way down on your forehead, and just cut the excess because it'll remove the tension. Then you're going to want to cut out your leave out section. Try not to cut too much of the cap, but you definitely want to cut and release the leave out section completely. So, you know, get some help. I didn't have anyone to help me, but I just used a mirror. I would definitely say you could get someone to help you on this step, and it'll be a little bit easier. So I did need to start using a leftover bundle. This is the Tropical Deep Wave in 16-inch. I just grabbed like a leftover bundle that was hanging around. And then this is the ponytail hair. Since that hair was already shorter and was bone straight, I decided to use the straight hair off of the ponytail for the bang area. Then I just made sure I closed the quick weave all the way up. You're going to want to apply tracks all the way up to the leave out, but not onto the leave out. And then the last track you apply will be onto the scalp in a circular motion, directly onto your scalp. So now you want to start sectioning off the bang area. I always section off a very narrow section when I first start cutting the bang. And I always cut the bang super long for that first cut. I mean, I'm talking all the way down to like my upper lip. Because you don't want to cut it too short. You're better off cutting shorter and shorter than too short for that first cut. So there you go. I have a portion of my bangs cut. I do a little bit to thin it out a little bit. It's better to use a razor for this, but I couldn't find mine. So yeah, I cut a thin bang to begin with, and then I sort of taper it down the side. Like I said, it's better to cut it longer, and you know, it's better to just overcompensate than undercompensate. So I was pretty happy with it. I turned my flat irons on. And you guys, I literally always stop to make sure that I eat. Like, my hair takes me forever to do, and I don't even try to fake it with you guys. Like, I eat, I take breaks, I take my time because I have the luxury of doing my hair at home. Like, take advantage of it, okay? So here we are the next day. I'm flat ironing the hair using my Babyliss 1-inch flat iron, and I do have it set to 45. Once I flat ironed the hair, I went ahead and flat ironed my leave out. On my leave out, I used the same temperature, the 45 temperature. I believe that corresponds to like 395 in real life. Be careful when you're flat ironing your bangs, you guys. Don't let that hot bang touch your forehead. It will burn you. Learn that the hard way. So yeah, just flat iron the hair and flat iron your leave outs. I love this hair. This hair is used. I've used it twice already, but you can't even tell because the hair is so freaking fabulous. Definitely make sure you guys are checking out my GLEEmade bundles. You can order them on GLEEmade.com. I have all lengths and 4 or 5 different textures in stock. I also have added lace fronts and lace closures to my stock. So if you don't want to do a quick weave and you would like a closure, that's available on the site as well. And I'm back, you guys. Yes, 2 days have lapsed with doing this tutorial. Y'all, I be putting some serious time in for y'all. So for real, go ahead and just pause the video and hit that subscribe and turn on your notifications because your girl be putting in all this work and effort for these videos. And like, subscribing is free. And like, it's helping your life. Like, I'm showing you how to get these styles looking super hella natural. Like natural quick weaves, okay? Who is here for the natural quick weaves with the leave out, okay? I am. Like, I'm trying to get creative with you guys, bringing you something you've never seen before, something I've never tried before. Like, I'm all about experimentation. So if you with it, if you all about that, like, join the gang and subscribe and see what else crazy stuff I can come up for you with you guys to have your quick weaves out here looking super natural. Like, yes. So I'm sure you saw I made it a point to widen the bang area. I thought the bang was like way too close, too tight in on my face. So I widened the bang a little bit by just cutting it some more. And I absolutely love how the bang looks now. I decided to throw some curls in it because remember our inspo pic was very curly with big voluminous layers and just huge wide barrel curling iron curls, and that's definitely the look I'm going for. For that look, you're going to want to absolutely use hairspray. The hairspray that I choose to use is a strong hold, but it's a flexible hold. It's from Paishu, and I will leave it down below. It is linked in my Amazon store, so if you guys want to check it out, you can definitely check it out there. Now, of course, my lighting was going crazy, you guys, because I was recording this at sundown, so I ended up having to close my blinds, but just look at these curls. Look look how they are just like combing out. You guys, these bundles are so freaking fire. You are literally getting the most value and quality and bang for your buck. You can reuse these bundles for several quick weaves over and over again, and they will last you, if you take care of them, at least 2 years. Like, look how healthy and shiny and beautiful these bundles are. And I literally didn't put anything on them except spray some hairspray to hold the curls. Like, get with it, y'all. Check out GLEEmade.com. So since we do have our natural hair left out, instead of a closure piece, I did use my GLEEmade wax stick to just go ahead and hold my hair in place, as well as any flyaways that may be there. I love how this came out, y'all. Like, yes, natural quick weaves for the win, okay? Floating, flawless hair, gorgeous bundles, natural leave out. Who gonna check me, boo? This my hair. Say what? If you guys like the video and you're loving the content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It helps your girl out. It lets YouTube know they need to keep sharing my video. Make sure you're sharing the video. Make sure you're turning on your notifications as well, and you're checking out my website. Support the sis, support the channel, and grab you some flawless bundles. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you in so many ways, more ways than you could ever imagine or know. Make sure you share this video. Share this video with a friend. Share it with a quick weave lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.